Pannu's Quilling Point, and yes, you are at perfect point watching me Pragna on this Adi Crafty channel. Yes, we have also reached 750 subscribers, so thank you so much for your support. Today's video is about wooden base which I am going to decorate using quilling. So make sure you watch this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. So let's move on to the video. Here is the wooden base with butterfly shape which I bought from a local fair. Using pliers, let's remove the metal knob. You can see here. We'll draw an outline of this butterfly using pencil on a piece of paper like this. Now you can see the outline is ready. Now please watch the next step very carefully. In this project I am using 3mm strips. First I am going to make outline using black color, 2 strips of 3mm. Stick these 2 strips just to make outline thicker. Apply glue on the outline using toothpick and start sticking the strip on it. It will be easier if you turn or bend the strip using pencil. I have used tweezers to bend and turn the strip and just complete the outline in the same manner. Here you can see the butterfly outline is completed. Now next step is take some water in bowl and a earbud. Dip earbud completely and apply on the back side of the paper, on the outline portion of the butterfly, somewhat like this. While it is wet, with the help of tweezers, remove the outline very gently. You have to be very patient while doing this. Here is the outline of the butterfly. Now let's place the outline on this wooden base. Apply glue at the border and start placing. I have cut the middle part to adjust the outline properly. Initially you will feel it difficult, but later it's quite easy. Just make the shape and using tweezers start fixing the outline on the wooden base. Don't worry about the white portion, it will get covered up later. Now it's almost done. Now I am giving outline for the body part by the small strip. And yes, you can see we can wipe off the extra glue using earbud. It is better if the earbud is dry. Let's fill up the butterfly using blue and bright pink color. You can fill up by your choice. Make a marquee by using half pink and half blue strip. Apply glue and stick it using tweezers. Similarly, make some more design like this using shapes and type coins. For the middle body, I am using 1/8 black strip to fill up the body part. Here you can see the keyring hole is not overlapped. Just take care if you are using this as a keychain. Let's continue the middle portion. By using glue strip, I am going to fill up the complete butterfly wings with the small screws. Apply glue on wooden base and start sticking the screws carefully. To get perfect scrolls in equal size, you can fold the paper in equal distance and scroll, somewhat like this. It will give you perfect scroll. Let's cover the next one. Let's attach the keyring to the wooden base. It's difficult though, but still managed. I was afraid it should not ruin my quilling part on it. So this is how I have decorated this wooden base using quilling, and I'm going to use it as a keychain. As you have seen this butterfly, I have made already some more keychains which you have already seen in the beginning of this video. So yes, those keychains will be on sale on our website, that is pannuspinning.com. You can just go there and check out and buy if you like. So thank you friends for watching my video and giving your valuable time. So what do you feel about this video? Do mention in the comment section below. And yes, if you haven't liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. There are some more interesting videos over here and also over here. You can just check out and let me know. Thank you.